Hey everybody. As we're starting into the new year, I just kind of wanted to give you a quick little heads up about some of the things that are going to be changing as far as the investing world is concerned. The amount that we can contribute is going to go up. So let me zoom into some of this stuff as I go here, because our 401k, we can contribute a lot more money now. We have about $1,000 more. So maybe it's not a ton, but it's still a fair amount. We've got 24,500, and if you break that down, that's about $2,000 a month that you can contribute to your 401, your 457, your 403b, and I hope you know how me and Ryan feel about the 457. We think that's kind of a great option for especially teachers. Also, along those same lines, if you're over 50, you can have the additional contribution as well. Once again, that's going up about $1,500. So that puts it about $2,700 a month for contributions. Same thing for the Roth IRA. Right now it's at $7,000, so you're getting an additional $500 bump, which is about $625 a month that you can contribute to your Roth. Now, once again, same thing. If you're 50 and over, you have the additional contribution as well, which puts you about $8,600, around $716 a month for contributions. And now, if you are one of the lucky people to have an HSA, a health savings account, then that's going up just a little bit, $100 extra, which if you break it down, it's $366 a month. And that's for the solo. As you can see, we've also got the we also have the family contribution as well, going up $200. So a little bit extra there. And then our FSA, if you're not sure what an FSA, it's a flexible spending account. Once again, just going up $100 as well. So I hope this helps as we're coming into the new year. Things to think about, what you might be able to do. And I get it, $2,000 a month into contributions to max out a 401 or a 457 account. That's kind of a lot. That's a lot. But once again, we're just trying to set yourself up for later dates in the future where you're able to jump in and take part of this money as well. So I hope this helps. Just throwing it out there just as we're starting the new year here in a couple of weeks. Happy holidays, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one.